Welcome. Today, we're diving into a critical decision point for any organization looking to leverage the power of generative AI. Where to actually deploy it? Should you go all in on the cloud, keep things close to home with an on-premises setup, or strike a balance with a hybrid approach? This isn't a one-size-fits-all answer, and the right choice depends heavily on your specific needs and priorities. In this video, we'll provide a foundational understanding of the key considerations involved in choosing the right deployment environment for your generative AI capabilities. The decision of whether to deploy in the cloud, on-premises, or a hybrid environment significantly impacts cost, performance, security, and scalability. We'll explore the trade-offs and help you navigate this complex landscape. Let's break down the three main deployment models. Cloud solutions offer incredible flexibility and scalability, giving you access to cutting-edge AI infrastructure on a pay-per-use basis, with the provider handling all the maintenance. On-premises deployments, on the other hand, give you greater control over your data and infrastructure, which is crucial for organizations with strict security requirements. Finally, hybrid approaches combine the best of both worlds, allowing you to run select workloads in the cloud while keeping sensitive operations on premises. The key is to evaluate your organization's needs and match them with the strengths and weaknesses of each model. Several key factors should drive your deployment decision. First, consider data sensitivity and regulations. Where can your data legally and securely reside? Next, think about your compute requirements. What kind of hardware will you need for model training and inference? Then, factor in cost considerations. Is it better to invest upfront or pay operational expenses over time? Finally, assess your integration needs and expertise. How well will the solution integrate with your existing systems, and do you have the necessary skills in-house? These factors heavily influence your decision-making, especially when dealing with GenAI models. Let's look at a real-world scenario where a marketing team wants to use a GenAI tool for content generation. If the data used is publicly available and the need for rapid scaling during campaigns is high, a cloud-based solution offers agility and cost-effectiveness. The input to the GenAI model would be the content brief and relevant data. The process involves the cloud-hosted model generating text, and the output is draft marketing copy. However, if the organization requires strict control over the generated content and wants to integrate it deeply with their internal content management system residing on premises, a hybrid approach might be considered, where the model training happens in the cloud but the inference runs on premises. Ultimately, making the right deployment decision requires careful consideration of several factors. You'll need to conduct a thorough data security assessment, analyze your computational needs, evaluate cost efficiency, and assess your integration requirements. By carefully weighing these factors, you can choose the deployment model that best aligns with your organization's goals and ensures the successful implementation of your generative AI initiatives.